Hello everyone and welcome to this Unreal Engine tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to import and retarget any custom mesh that you have, whether you made it yourself or you got it from Mixamo. As you can see, this character that I got from Mixamo is working perfectly fine, just like the default mannequin inside Unreal Engine. So we will go through importing, retargeting the animations, and getting your character ready in under 5 minutes. So let's get started. First, if you don't have a character, go to Mixamo, characters, and choose the character that you like. Literally any character that you like. Okay, for me, I'm going to go with Jackie, this one. Okay, I'm gonna click download and download. Once your character is downloaded, you need to import it to Unreal. So let's create a folder, or no, let's delete this, and then set characters or whatever you want to import. And literally just leave everything as it is and click import. Okay, let's make a folder. Now that our character is imported, you might have issues with the material being transparent, and that's because the blend mode is masked. So just reset it to opaque and it will work. Okay, now we need to retarget our new mesh. So let's go to the source mesh, and let's go to the animation blueprint, and let's right click on it and click retarget animations. And for this target skeletal mesh is Jackie, and let's click export retarget assets. Let's create a folder. Let's call it retargeter. Okay, now if you open our retargeter and we play any animation, as you can see, the animation is working. Great. Now let's go back to where we imported our character, and let's right click on the skeletal mesh and create anim blueprints. And let's open it up. And from here, from the output pose, we want to call retarget pose from mesh, and the IK retargeter asset is the one we just created. Okay. Now let's go to our blueprint, character blueprint, and click on the initial mesh, the default one, and let's look for visible and hide it. Then we want to look for visibility based anim tick option and set it to always tick pose and refresh bones. Then we need to create another skeletal mesh and attach it to the main one. And for the animation blueprint of this one, we want to set the one we just created. And for the mesh asset, we want to set our mesh. Okay. Great. Now, if we start the game, our mesh should be working perfectly fine. And that's it, guys. That's how you import any mesh you want and retarget it fast and easy. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.